when you see her. Yes, enter. You can move this thing for me. Put it down. I wish I can't play it down. Let me tell you, Jesus.